What's up, guys? Today I want to do a quick video just explaining a pretty big investment decision that I've made recently. Remember, this is not financial advice. I'm just telling you what I'm doing and why so you can make your own educated decisions. Don't take my word for it. Always do your own research. When I started the Facebook group and this YouTube channel, it was supposed to be focusing on stocks and crypto, mostly as forms of investment, but I haven't really talked about stocks at all. And the reason for that is pretty much for now, I'm kind of getting out of the stock market. So today I'm just going to touch on a few key points so you can kind of decide if it's worth it to stay in the stock market if you are already. So I'm not going to beat around the bush. Last week I sold half of my $15,000 Robinhood portfolio. So you can see here I withdrew this money earlier this week. I sold most of the stocks last week. I think actually I put the orders in over the weekend so that they executed Monday when the market opened. Then it takes 2 days for everything to go through and the money to settle, and then you can withdraw the cash out of the Robinhood account. And I'm not planning on stopping there. Over the next couple weeks, I'm going to be pulling more money out. I haven't really decided yet if I'm going to keep any of it at all. If I do, it'll probably just be a handful of like high yield dividend stocks and ETFs. Probably no more than $1,000 or $2,000 if I keep any at all. I've been investing in stocks now for almost 10 years and have done pretty well with it. So honestly, it was really hard to just sell all of that. But there are 3 major reasons that I felt like it needed to be done. Every single year, it seems like without fail, the birds start singing, the flowers start blooming, and I lose 10% of my portfolio value. I've started to notice this happens pretty consistently, and knowing the market moves in cycles, I started to wonder if this was a normal thing or if I just somehow angered the goddess of spring. So anyway, I happened to be on YouTube and I saw a video from one of my favorite YouTubers just recently put out talking about what the best time is to buy stocks. I'll leave the video in the description if you're interested in that, because I'm not going to go into detail about it. But basically the conclusion was that yes, stocks tend to perform badly May to October specifically every year. Sometimes you'll have some spikes where they do well for a couple weeks or a couple days, but generally it's not worth it to hold on to those positions throughout the whole season. There's even an old saying, sell in May and go away. I guess come back when people are done enjoying the warm weather and need to buy stuff for the holidays. So based on that, I thought it would be a good idea to just dump everything this year instead of taking the losses like I do every year. The second reason is also based on a cycle. You should be familiar with this if you've been watching my videos and paying attention to cryptocurrency. I can't overstate the historic opportunity of the crypto bull market cycle that we're in right now. Based on all the data that we have, plus the mainstream adoption of crypto, there's no reason that any money you put in crypto right now shouldn't be multiplied quite a bit. See, Bitcoin specifically moves in a 4-year cycle where the value typically multiplies 20x or so before coming back down to earth to hibernate for a bit until the next cycle. But each cycle it retains some of that value, so the next cycle it hits an even higher value at the peak. And all the other altcoins tend to move with Bitcoin more or less. So anyway, between those 2 things, it just seems like a smarter move to take my money out of the stock market and put it into crypto, at least until September or October. And the third reason, if you even need another one, is that there's a lot of uncertainty in the stock market right now. There's a fear of hyperinflation, obviously because of the stimulus and all that stuff. This could crash the market completely and basically make your dollars worth significantly less. Because stocks are valued in dollars and companies typically hold a lot of their assets in cash, the stocks are going to go down with the value of the dollar. The best protection against this obviously is crypto, in my opinion. The banks and major corporations are seeing this, as well as the potential of growth in cryptocurrency, which is only going to push the bull cycle to the moon, as we say. So let me know in the comments if you're going to hold on to any stocks during this cycle or if you're going to do what I'm doing and dump them. Let me know if this info was helpful and what you'd like to see in future videos. Don't forget to smash that like button, tell your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Check out the links below, including my private Facebook group, where you can ask me questions directly, talk to other people who are interested in growing their network and their net worth. You'll also see the links below for Voyager and BlockFi with my referral code, which will get you some extra Bitcoin and help you get started in trading cryptocurrency. As always, thanks for watching.